Hi guys, today we'll be showing some interesting tricks in using format cell function in Excel. So have you ever think of wanted to use the Excel calculation function, but at the same time having some text display in the cell? For example, now you take a look at this, and then you can see that you can use this calculation functionality provided by Excel. So you can also use like equal sum. You can do the calculation function. But if you want to show it in like with together with the unit representation, for example kg, so like 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Then now if you try to do a summation of the cell, you will not be able to do it. So if you want to achieve this, how can you do? Very simple. We can actually make use of the format cell function. So let me choose these three cells and then I format the cell. You simply have to use the custom function, custom category, and then under general, you just keep it as it is. So you can, if you want to have a space, you can put a space and then open like open quote, and then you have a kg and close it, and okay, as simple as that. So let's see, one, you see, 2 kg, 3 kg, simple, right? So now if we do a summation, 1, 2, 3, ta-da! So easy. So yeah, this will be this small portion of this today's sharing. Hope you like it. Hi everyone. For this video, we are going to show how we can use format cell to obtain the next line effect. So let's say, for example, you wish to obtain this result. That means showing the date format and going to the next line to show which day the particular date is. So one way normally you all will be doing, you'll be like we key in the date in this format. Yeah, then you can drag and drop, and you get this, and then what you may wish to get is you can format a cell and then make it to become like day, month, and year. So as you can see, you can get this, and then if you want the date to be displayed, you can put day. But you realize that it can't go to the next line as you wish to obtain for your end result. So how do you actually do it? So the trick to this is actually using alternate together with 0010. So how do I go about doing it? So coming back to this line, that we format the cell, and then over here you are going to use this as this is the location we are going to do the next line. So you press on to your alternate button and 0010. You do realize that actually the day was disappear from the from here, but actually it went to the next line. So I press OK. So over here you see that how come it is still on the it's at the same line? You just need to make sure the wrap text is enabled. So you see you got it. So if you drag further down, just make sure the lines are actually the width of the line are actually thick enough to show what you want. Yeah. So yes, with this alternate zeros together with 0010, you can obtain the next line effect. Yeah. So hope it can help you.